Hello, this is Andrew from Trend Following Mentor. I want to share with you a very interesting idea about a trade I wouldn't take. It's pretty different than what everyone would think. Everyone wants to hear all these great trades that you should take. But before I start, I just want to tell you on my site, Trend Following Mentor, you can come, you sign up, you can get a free 40-page report on trend following. Learn what the real story is about trend following. It's not sugar-coated in any way, shape, or form. It just tells you pretty much how hard trend following is and what you need to do in order to succeed over time. And what you're going to find with my course isn't going to be like most other courses where you're going to have fun and you're going to be able to have all these cool indicators. My idea was to show you what really works in the real world. I trade for a living. I've been trading for 18 years, and I'm going to show you exactly what I do. So anyway, let's jump to, here's Metastock. And what's interesting is everybody seems to love Amazon. And people seem to trade what they like. Well, that's not the way to do it. You have to trade what is the strongest. If you can put on a low risk bet, and I'm going to qualify what is a low risk bet. You look at your account size. If it's a $50,000 account, you want to risk no more than 1%. So you don't want to take more than $500 risk on a trade, maximum. Or if it's a $20,000 account, you don't want to take more than a $200 risk on a trade. But the problem is people, they trade their favorites. They'll trade Apple, they'll trade Amazon, they'll trade Netflix, and people got buried in some of these trades. I'm just going to go through just a simple trend breakout, which is really the smallest part of the puzzle. Because in my course, you're going to learn the basic elements are the robust trading methodology with a complete plan, the risk management, that you need to have all these elements in place, all the different interlapping or overlapping levels of risk. And then the most important issue you need to realize is how to think like a successful trader. What does that mean? That you're going to have the plan, that you're going to follow that plan exactly. You're not going to hesitate. You're not going to get out early. You're not going to get in early. You're going to follow the plan. You're not going to let fear or greed interfere with your trading, and that's what I'm here for. So after you do a trade, we're going to talk about it. We can talk on email. We can talk over the phone. I'm really looking to help you and to, let's say, get you to where you really want to be with. I mean, I've spoken to people since I started this site, and it's like people are on this journey for 10 years. They haven't been successful. And, you try to find out where are they struggling? And some of the issues are just kind of shocking to me. It's the fear, it's the greed that kicks in. But anyway, let's just talk about Amazon. Amazon, you can just use on a simple idea why I wouldn't take this trade. I want to buy the strongest, I want to sell the weakest. And you can say, well, I had a breakout trade here, which was very simple. And I had another breakout trade here, or I had a breakout trade here, or a breakout trade here. Well, I would not even think to take this trade, because one of the things that I do that's pretty cool is, and you can do this in Metastock, you rank them. I rank a bunch of things that I'm looking at, a bunch of stocks. I learned this from Ned Davis Research about maybe at least 15 years ago. You need to focus on, let's say if you're a momentum, and we are momentum, we're momentum traders. We want to try to buy the strongest with the anticipation that they're going to keep on going up. We want to sell the weakest with the anticipation that they're going to keep on going down. And the reason I wouldn't take Amazon here, even at this point where I had a breakout trade, it's above my this algorithm, it's called the Trading the Trend, which I wrote in 1998, but I just wouldn't take this trade because it's not the strongest out of all the markets that I look at. And I don't look at all that many. I'm looking when I'm above the 200-day moving average. I have a green light to be in the stock market. And what makes it really easy for me is IBD gives me a list of 50 stocks. And I can identify the ones I want to be invested in, so I want to be long. Another interesting thing is I can look at the all-time new highs and all-time new lows to determine my universe. This is called tactical trading. So this is just one element of some of the things that I teach you in my course. The course, I'm trying to give you everything to get you to be successful. I'm going to send you examples of trades. I'm going to be available to talk to you, or we talk on email, and to explain what works, what doesn't work. But also, don't think for 1 second this is going to be a get-rich-quick overnight. When I showed you these equity curves of some of the successful trend followers over years, that they go through periods that they have drawdowns, and they also go through periods, long periods, where they don't make money. This is the reality of trend following. This isn't like you have an 80% win rate and all this other stuff, because you know what? The only thing is that's an 80% chance that you're not going to make money. I'm going to tell you exactly what the reality is on how to trend follow and what to expect, and to try to put the odds in your favor and try to get you to be a consistent trader over time. And then really it's up to the market to give us favorable trading situations, because again, we can do everything right and not make money. This is what trend following is. I want to be your trend following mentor. I invite you to come to Trend Following Mentor, my website. You can look at the different programs. You can sign up for my 40-page report. It's all free. I'm really here to help you and give back. I've been helped. I mean, I've had people that have helped me and guided me throughout the years, and it's a way of giving back. So I invite you to be one of my students, to come and let me know how I can help you succeed over time. Thank you.